Health is absolutely important to any community, and any community wants to grow.
Towson University is partnering with the Cherry Hill community to address its many health-related needs.
I lost my hearing when I was a very young little girl.
Towson was able to come here and provide audiology services for our senior citizens and connect them with free hearing aids.
We've also expanded into after-school and summer camp programs.
We decided to grow a community garden to provide access to healthy, nutritious foods.
We've focused on teen parenting.
The most important job that you're ever going to have is to be somebody's mother. And I think that it's great that Towson is here teaching those kinds of skills.
I hope that this partnership will be a model not just for Baltimore City, but throughout the country.
With a little help and a whole lot of love, our Cherry Hill can take many, many steps to being a better and brighter Cherry Hill.